What happens when losing everything leads you right where you're meant to be? Hi everyone, this is Mara from the Chef Network, and today we're talking about The Bear Season 3, Episode 6, where Tina's journey takes an unexpected turn, leading her straight to the original beef. Tina starts her day early, cooking and getting ready, but reality hits hard. She loses her job. Despite weeks of searching, every door seems to close in her face. Just when things feel hopeless, a Miss Boss lead her to the original beef, where she crosses paths with Michael. Over sandwiches and frustrations, Michael opens up about Carmi's talent and the chaos of restaurant life. Their conversation takes a surprising turn when he offers Tina a job as a line cook. That night, as Tina looks at a t-shirt from the beep, she smiles, and maybe this is where she belongs. Was Tina's journey fate or just a string of coincidences? Let me know in the comments, and on to episode 7.